Got the standpipe hooked up for the off-grid ram pump powered water tower project. So let me just take you quickly over to the ram pump. I end up getting the bigger ram pump from Land to House running, and it's moving a lot of water. So here's the flow coming in. Very nice. Flows down here, and that slamming is the ram pump. Then it goes around there, over there, up this way. So this tube comes around here, and it goes up here. And then this is so I can bleed the air out of the line if there's any that gets trapped. And it comes over to here. And then this is a Arca filter. It has a whole bunch of discs in here that filters out the water. And then it comes into here, goes down, and then this is open. That one I had to shut because this valve is cracked. It just got old. And then the other thing I've had to do, which you hear some air leaking out of that, is I need to seal that off. I have another lid that I might be able to make a better fastener in order to seal that off, but you end up having to have a tube go up so that the air can escape from this one. So right now in this current configuration, I'm using this one to elevate this one, and then this fills up, and the standpipe is completely open, so it will fill up both of these. Now, because I have this one shut off, it shouldn't matter. It should fill this up and keep on filling it up. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but over there is the other tank, and that's what this hose is filling up. Then it flows back into the upper pond. So last year I had this hose go underneath the IBC tote and then connect to a black pipe, went up the back, and then it filled up and overflowed into that and went over. But doing this standpipe will make it nicer. So a sound you hear is the water pouring in here. Let me open this so you can get an idea of how much water is coming out of the ram pump. So yeah, about that much water is coming out of the ram pump with each cycle, which is a decent amount of water. Well, I just got excited that I got it functioning better now. The next video, I'll show you when the other tank is filled up and is overflowing into the upper pond. So make sure to subscribe if this type of thing interests you. Yeah, there's no power needed, and since our upper pond is spring fed, it always seems to be flowing, and so this is a good way for me to water the back pasture and eventually grow stuff back in that high tunnel there. Thanks, and have